This is the round hole marker from Strong Hand Tools. It helps you mark perfect circles on flat surfaces or pots ranging from 2 to 10 inches in diameter. The base has a strong magnet with an on and off switch and built-in level for precise setups. At the end of the extension arm, a level and a 180-degree dial that you fine-tune the shaft angle and find the exact center. Like a compass, the V-pad holds a center pin in place on your workpiece. Once everything is adjusted, you're ready to mark. The kit comes in a durable hard case and includes soapstone refills.